Microeconomics and Application 1. This course aims at inculcating basic understanding of fundamentals of microeconomics and its applications. It will enable students to apply microeconomic concepts to consumer and producer behavior in real world. The learning outcomes of this course are to analyze the market behavior by understanding the basic concepts of microeconomics, to provide students with an understanding of the standard theoretical analysis of consumer and producer behavior, to know the applications of theory of production and cost structure, to study various forms of market structure and how they work to allocate resources and the optimal decisions making for different outcomes, to relate the concept with the corporate world, example economics of scale. The course has 5 modules. Module 1 relates to the basic concepts, which includes scarcity and choice, production possibility frontier, positive and normative economics, constructing a model, scientific method, concepts of opportunity cost, rate of growth, and of total average and marginal functions. It also includes demand and supply, market demand, elasticity, shifts and movements, application of demand, supply and elasticity, revenue and expenditure, elasticity and marginal revenue, income elasticity of demand, and consumer surplus. Module 2 relates to consumer choice. It includes cardinal theory, derivation of demand in case of one or more goods, ordinal theory, budget, sets and preferences under different situations. In difference curves, the rate and elasticity of substitution. Consumer equilibrium, effects of change in prices and income. Angel curve, derivation of demand curve, income and substitution effects, Hicks and Slutsky applications of indifference curves to other economic problems. It also includes revealed preference theory, warp, sharp, and the derivation of demand curve. The module 3 of this course is related with production. Production functions, single variable, average and marginal product, variable proportions, stages of production, 2 variables, isoquants, returns to scale, and to a factor, factor prices, cost minimization and output maximization, elasticity of substitution, expansion path, and the cost function. The module 4 is related with cost, concept on economic cost, short run and long run cost curves, increasing and decreasing cost industries, envelope curve, L-shaped cost curves, economies of scale, prices as parameters, farm equilibrium and profit, short and long run supply function, taxes and subsidies. The module 5 of this course is related with forms of market structure. This module gives a light of various types of market structures and how equilibrium is established in different market structure. It includes perfect competition, equilibrium of the market, long run industry supply, producer and consumer surplus, applications, effects of taxes and subsidies. Monopoly, equilibrium supply, multi-plant farm, monopoly power, deadweight loss, which is also known as social cost, price, discrimination, bundling, two-part tariff, monopolistic competition, product differentiation, equilibrium of the farm in the industry with entry of new farms and with price competition, comparison with pure competition. In this way, this course of microeconomics and application 1 is consisted of 5 modules. The main references of essential readings are Pindick, R.S. and Rubenfeld D.L. Microeconomics, Mankiw G.N. Principles of Economics, a publication of John Wiley and Sons, Variant H.R. Intermediate Microeconomics, W.W. Norton and Company Publications, Browning, E.K. and Jupan, Microeconomic Theory and Application, a Wiley publication. In this way, apart from these readings, Lipsey and Crystal Economics, a publication by Oxford University Press, is also a useful text material. In this course, the teaching learning process will include case discussions about market structures, consumer behavior and firms must be encompassed in teaching methodology. Theoretical concepts backed by relevant real world example and case studies are highly recommended. The assessment method of this course includes theoretical examination 75 marks, internal assessment 25 marks, and overall credits of this course is 6. The course has 68 seats and including EWS category. The course is a short-term course which will be completed in 4 months. It will start from August 8 and the course will end at 16th November.